UK government attacks crypto. This really pisses me off a little bit. I want to talk about it. And it's not that they attack crypto. It's really about them hurting the little guy. You know, I did a video about, I guess it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Where's it at? Right here. I did a video right here about the U.S. government attacking crypto. And I'll link that above. I'll put it down in the description. You want to watch this video. It's a great video. I covered basically 3 stories about how the U.S. government is kind of attacking crypto. Again, it's not so much that the government is attacking crypto. I expect that. In fact, I got a video, spoiler alert, I got a video coming out today where I talk about DeFi, decentralized finance, Ethereum 2.0, the whole DeFi space coming under attack. And I talk about how I expect it, and I've expected it for a really long time. That's going to come out later today. So this is going to be a short video because I knew I already had this scheduled to come out today. I think it's coming out about 8 p.m. tonight, Eastern time. So I already expected, I knew this video is coming out, but then I just saw this. Listen to this really quickly. Before we get into this, I want to say this. If you love cryptocurrency and you love earning passive cryptocurrency, passive income in the form of cryptocurrency, go down in the description. Be sure to subscribe to our Crypto Passive Profits newsletter. That's down in the description. All right, let's get into this. The UK's FCA bans retail crypto derivatives after a year-long consideration. CoinShare pleas last year went unheard as crypto futures and ETNs will be soon banned. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to be paying attention to this. In a landmark decision issued on Tuesday by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, companies in the country will no longer be able to offer cryptocurrency derivatives, products such as futures, options, and exchange-traded notes to retail customers. Here's the part you want to pay attention to. Retail customers. This means that potentially it can still be offered to the big boys. It can still be offered to the large financial banks, the trading houses, the equivalent of the qualified investor in the United States, which just means a wealthy investor. But the average person like you and I who are looking to invest using these instruments, we don't have that possibility. And the reason they say that we don't, well, let's keep going. The decision comes exactly 1 year after the regulators first proposed banning these products. In a statement released by the FCA, listen to this, the regulators claim that the cryptocurrency derivatives are ill-suited for retail customers to the harm they pose. In other words, you are not smart enough or you are too stupid to know how to manage your own risk. So they have to protect you, which means also, we all know that risk equals rewards in many cases. So you have the risk of ruin, the risk of loss, but you have the risk of gain. So you can't gain big if you can't, in some cases, risk big. But they're going to take that potential win away from you because you're just a retail, know-nothing, small, average, poor customer. You're not the rich guys. You're not the big banks. You're not the hedge fund managers. I have no problem with big banks and hedge fund managers. I have a problem when the rules go against competition or hurt the little guy. Several reasons are provided for more detail, including concerns that there are no reliable basis for valuation. That's true for most of the financial market. They're subject to abuse and financial crimes and are extremely volatile. Of course they're volatile. That's why there's potentially rewards, risk and rewards. They can say the same thing. You understand the problem with this. Let's read this again. Several reasons are provided for more detail, including concerns that there are no reliable basis for valuation, are subject to abuse and financial crimes, and there's no extreme volatility. This could be said about the entire crypto market. There's no reliable basis for valuations, are subject to abuse and financial crimes, are extremely volatile. This could be said even about the US dollar compared to other assets, because the dollar has went down by 95+% in the past, 50, 60 years based on how much it will buy. Why? Because there's no reliable basis for its evaluation since we got off the gold standard. It's subject to abuse and financial crimes like money laundering and are extremely volatile. Can I say something about this financial crimes? And I talk about in my video coming up, in my video past that I did right here. In this video, I talked about they always attack talking about financial crimes, money laundering. Here's the crazy thing. Every form of money laundering that exists involves US dollar. Why? Because that's what they're laundering away from and laundering back to. It always involves the US dollar, but they never talk about that. Anyway, let's keep going. Further motivations cited include the inadequate understanding of crypto assets by retail investors. Again, you're too stupid to understand how these work. I would argue that at least 50% of crypto YouTubers have a better understanding of crypto assets than practically every bank that owns them, outside of a few small traders inside of those banks. I would make that argument because it's such a small asset class comparable that so few people understand. Retail investors lack a legitimate investment need for these products. Understand, this is somebody else telling you what you don't get access to. I mean, this just burns me up. If this burns you up, do me a favor, smash that like button if you agree with me. Smash that like button. And ladies and gentlemen, if you love cryptocurrency and you believe that everybody should have access to this asset in every form necessary, or at least a freedom to invest in this asset in every possible way, at least in the same way that the big banks do. If you agree that you should have the exact same opportunity to invest the same way that the biggest, richest investors do, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon, because I'm going to be bringing you content like this every time I see it. This ban comes into effect January 6th of 2021. The regulators warned that as a sale of derivatives and ETNs that reference certain types of crypto assets to retail consumers is now banned. Any firm offering these services to retail consumers is likely to be a scam. Oh my gosh, listen to this. Since it's banned, any retail consumers, any services offering this to retail consumers is likely to be a scam. Well, that's a pretty broad sweeping statement. It could just be someone bucking the system. That's like saying online gaming is illegal in the U.S., so every single website that provides online gaming services to U.S. customers is a scam. No, it's not. They're just bucking. Bodog back in the day offered poker to U.S., and they still do, I think. Well, they do under a different name, but they offered poker to American citizens. The American government said it was illegal. The CEO of Bodog was like, well, we don't really care what you say. You don't have jurisdiction over us. That doesn't make it a scam just because they're bucking regulators. Not that it couldn't be a scam. I mean, it doesn't make it legit that they're bucking regulators either. I'm just saying that that's a very broad sweeping statement that's designed to do nothing more than to dissuade you and I from, participating. Not that I endorse you breaking the law. That's not what I'm saying. Regulators say that this measure would save around $53 million for retail consumers, presumably in trading losses. This is nuts. 53 million, I think that's pounds, I guess, or euros, sorry. 53 million euros or pounds, whatever it is, for retail consumers. This ban reflects how seriously we review the potential harm to retail customers in these products. Consumer protection is paramount. One of the companies hit the hardest by the ban will be CoinShares, which last year mounted a campaign to convince regulators to abandon its plans. CoinShares offers ETNs and other types of crypto products aimed at traditional markets. Here's what's crazy. I want you to go back and read this. This ban reflects how seriously we review the potential harm to retail consumers. Understand me when I say this. They will always claim protection when they're taking away freedoms. They always claim they're doing it to keep you safe. When I say you, I mean the average person. They're always claiming protection. But at the same time, yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't understand the potential risk involved, but everyone has a freedom to educate themselves and to do your own research. This is just mind-boggling to me. And it's unfortunate, but as you'll see in the video today, I'm going to show you how I believe the federal government is preparing to mount a full-on assault against cryptocurrency. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification icon, smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. When you hit that like button, what that does is it helps push this video out to other people. We need to get other cryptocurrency viewers, YouTubers, subscribers, those who are interested in economic freedom. We need to at least make sure everyone's aware of this concept. And if you love cryptocurrency and you love earning passive cryptocurrency, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch that video tonight. You're going to love it.